What is up? Ruben Salazar, the gamer here, and RS3Cuber. I'm starting a cubing channel. I'm gonna be starting a cubing channel so you guys can. My unboxing of my 2x2 will be on there. I took a video of that, but I have not made a video. So today, just a second, guys. I gotta get up for a second. Yeah, make sure my camera's good. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's good. That's better. Okay. So today I am making a video of the new Rubiks 3x3. Sorry, Rubiks 3x3 Fast Edition. So it's really the Rubiks brand Speed Cube. I'll do a review on their non-speed cube. So this is the unboxing. Comes with the cube and the stand, of course. Get that out. Put that back in. Just a second. The 2x2s is different because I got it from a different store. So here's this one. And I got the stand. The Rubiks stand. Let's read the box for a second. Let's get the Faster Edition. And let's get the Rubiks. Check out the app. So go, guys. Check out the app. I'm not sponsored or nothing, but you can do the Rubik's Cube. Okay. So here it is. I can tell it's way faster. It's good. So to go check out the corner cutting. See, 45. 45. Perfect. Oh, crap. It's around the 45 in a line. It's pretty neat. Just got to pull it down a lot more. Like, because when speed cubers are they're going fast. They're going to pull it down faster like this. So they're going to go way faster. So that is good improvement by Rubiks brand. So, yeah, this is pretty neat. It's the same color scheme. So I'll do like a 3x3 with this one. Since it's like the same color, it's the regular color scheme. See, just a second, I'll be right back. You can see it's the same as a 2x2. Just a second. It has the white. See if we can line up the white, the red, the yellow, the green, and yeah, and the blue. Same exact color scheme. Let's put that one off to the side. So now let's go ahead and give this one a little solve real quick. Actually, we're not gonna do a full solve. So let's just do like it goes pretty fast. It goes faster than the regular 2x2. I mean the regular 3x3. What I like about this one is they can get done way faster. So like a checker pattern. So yeah, I like that. So it's pretty neat, guys. I like it. I'll do like a review on this one, like a better review later on. So yeah, and I'll do a review on the non-speed cube of the Rubiks brand. So I got that one too. Just found this one today. I went to the store a couple days ago and they didn't have this one, so it must be brand new. It's stickerless too. So yeah, so it's competition legal. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting more cubes that are like they're stickerless, but they're not like this. It's I think it's Shangshao, and those are they're not legal in competitions. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Alright, guys, in the next video I'll be showing you guys how to solve this. Alright, guys, peace out and goodbye. See you.